Hello, dear friends and foodies of the world. It's me, Shalini, and I welcome you to my kitchen, Shalini's Cozy Nook. Today, I'm going to show you a delicious protein-rich recipe, the beef omelette. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless cuts of beef. Now we can mince this beef in a food processor. While doing this, just pulse the beef pieces for a few seconds only. You should get it coarsely ground with small visible pieces of meat. Complete the mincing process in 2-3 batches. Now heat a pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add finely chopped onion. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions for this. Now saute this well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and salt. Once this is sauteed well, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder and saute again for 1 minute. Now we can add the minced beef. Squeeze in half of a lemon and add 2 teaspoons of salt. And mix everything well and cover and cook for about 5 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, open the pan and increase the heat and dry the beef well. Now the mix is dry enough and you can add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix everything well and your beef mix is ready. Into a large bowl, break in 4 eggs and beat well. To this, add 2 green chilies chopped, 1 tomato diced to small pieces, 1 small onion diced into small pieces. Now we can add the prepared beef mix. I am adding only half of the total amount of mix for the 4 eggs we have taken. You can keep the remaining beef mix in the fridge to make another omelette the next day or just mince only 250 grams of beef instead of 500 grams. Now mix everything well. Now we have come to the final stage. Heat a pan and pour in half tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot enough, pour in the egg beef mix and spread this evenly on the pan. Garnish the top with some fresh parsley and coriander leaves. Close the pan and cook in low to medium heat for 5 minutes. Our beef omelette is ready. Transfer to a plate and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please do try and share it with your loved ones. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen and see you soon.